These cute boots by Eileen Fisher will be your go-to style for the season. They feature a textile and leather upper with an almond toe silhouette and wide open collar that has a sock-like construction with a stretchy collar for a comfortable fit and easy slip-on. They have a ribbed design at the back and contrasting leather panel on the vamp, giving you a stylish and fashionable look you're sure to love. These will look great with your favorite pair of skinny jeans and a cute sweater. Inside, there is a leather lining with a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. You'll get almost a 2-inch boost in height with the wrapped block heel at the back, and it's all on top of a smooth leather outsole.